Hello kids, welcome back to Quiz Dog. Are you ready for playing K-pop Demon Hunters Challenge? Today you guess all characters based on emojis. Like and subscribe for more. Try to decode which K-pop demon hunter this is.
I was a ghost, I was alone.
Demon hunter is hidden behind the emojis. Who is this adorable warrior? Moving on, time for Would You Rather. Which couple of K-pop demon hunter movie you like the most, Mira and Abby or Jinu and Rumi? Any clue who is this K-pop demon hunter might be? Any idea which famous song is this? Which one is your favorite, Zoe or Mira? Next, K-pop demon hunter. Any idea who could this be? If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe it. Which character do you think it is might be? Let's go for the gift. Which gift attracts you the most? Pick it up quickly. Can you guess who is this mysterious character? Do you recognize this character from Demon Hunters? Try to decode which demon hunter character is this.
I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me going viral. Oh yeah, now you're on the feet. Okay, I'll show you why. I can think of every drop I drink.
Which one is your favorite, Huntrix or Saja boys? If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Any idea which famous song is this? Which is this quiet and clever one character from Demon Hunter?
Feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin. Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to feel me. Don't want you, feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin.
What is your opinion about this? Who is this Demon Hunter character?
Okay, ready? Ready. But where are the girls? Okay, ready? Ready.
Can you spot it? Where is different emoji from other rest? Subscribe if your answer is correct. Do you recognize who is this? Any clue which character it is?
Check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, good I feel in your head.